Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install H&R Block Tax Prep app in your device. H&R Block is an app that allows you to file your taxes electronically from your phone or tablet. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search H&R Block Tax Prep. There you can see H&R Block Tax Prep. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open H&R Block Tax Prep app and file your taxes. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.